Well, I'm indoors and got my 1 bar of 3 bars on my heater, watching my bowl games. It's probably about a 2000 Callen Camper, Wi-Fi, energy battery controller, and put this curtain over the door when I'm inside here. Woo! It's snowing like crazy. Oh man. Porch lights on. 6.5 R factor on the insulation in this camper. Most people don't know that. Has the taller sides, steel rack on top, snow drift over there. I got that spoiler on the front. That's how we keep the mileage at a maximum. Oh man, it's blizzarding today. December 30, 2021. Yeah, I'm living in that. Most people probably wouldn't do that. Been 11 months I've been in this rig with that insulation and the steel frame, and it's sealed. It's like living in a house. So all you camper topper guys out there with them $10,000 and $15,000 toppers, hey, if you got the money, I guess. But this cost me $650 in pristine condition. 300 watts on the roof, V6 4.3. Just did 5,600 miles to Florida a month ago. Back home, got to build a house. Here's my stakes. I guess it'll get done some point soon. It's snowing like mad right now. But yeah, that's where I'm living right now, and thank you, Callen Campers. Vintage.